Sears Jr. and Hurlburt.
What's the time they got to be, Adam?
They have to be
47?
Peter Britton and Tyler Corcoran's time of a 47.84.
Okay.
Timmer, do you have a 46 in you? JR, you gotta beat Peter Britton. You got it?
I wasn't even paying
You hear that,
attention.
Peter? You hear that?
You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Going to use the same strategy that we just saw.
Look at those logs. How clean is that? That was pretty clean. And again, this is a team of 2 versus a team of 3. Look at that.
47 is the time they're trying to beat.
47.84 is the fast time so far. JR from McKinney, he's already done. And he's got a tight front end still. 45.8.
He got it.
Just so you know, he waited 10 seconds to start that. To take him off.
Timber
Yeah.
and JR, best time so far for the two-man team.
JR, 18.2 points.